you ever wonder if the English you're learning from textbooks is still used in real life? You know, things like it's raining cats and dogs, which frankly I've never heard anyone say in the past decade. Learning natural daily English can be tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to help. Welcome back to English with Hurrem. On this channel, you'll always find a gentle, positive way of learning English, filled with real British expressions, cultural charm, and just a hint of humor. So today, I'll share you 5 expressions you'll hear in daily life here in the UK, with examples that will make you laugh, think, and sound much more British. And stick around for the word of the week. It's absolutely ridiculous and I love it. Let's begin, shall we? Even if. This phrase shows determination when you're ready to do something no matter how annoying, awkward, or ridiculous it would be. I'm going to finish this assignment, even if I have to tape my eyes open with sellotape. Oh, I'll attend your wedding, even if I'm running a fever, on crutches and emotionally unprepared. In Britain, we love dramatic loyalty. It makes us sound heroic, even if it's just about showing up to brunch. I'm genuinely sorry. Let's talk honesty. A good apology in British English needs emotional flavor. Saying, I'm genuinely sorry I missed your party. I was emotionally asleep that day. I'm genuinely sorry for eating your crisps. I was under a salty spell. Genuinely is perfect when you need to sound both apologetic and a bit charming. Third one is, I managed to. This one's great for telling little victory stories when something was hard, but you somehow did it. I managed to survive a whole day without tea. I don't recommend it. Oh, I managed to pretend I knew what was going on during the maths lecture. Oscar-worthy performance, innit? You can use it for heroic moments like fixing the Wi-Fi, or completely pointless ones like drinking killjuice without crying. Fourth one is, thank goodness for that. This one's all about relief. What's relief? This is relief. When something nearly goes wrong but doesn't. The power went out just as the oven started, then came back on. Thank goodness for that. Or dinner would have been a raw potato and a prayer. I found my phone in the fridge. Thank goodness for that. I thought I lost it forever, along with my will to live. Say this when you just barely escape a disaster. Very common in British kitchens. The last one is, in my defense. Now this one is used when you're blamed for something, but you have a perfectly good excuse, or at least an excuse. You ate the last biscuit. In my defense, it was sad and lonely. I give it a company. Oh, you wore your pajamas to the Zoom class. In my defense, I thought it was Sunday. It wasn't. We use it to sound innocent, even when we're absolutely guilty. Alright, time for the word of the week. It is discombobulated. Yeah, you had it. Discombobulated. Alright, this one is delightfully ridiculous. Discombobulated sounds like something a wizard says while sneezing. But yes, it's a real English word. It means completely confused, thrown off, or mentally tangled. You might even think this word doesn't exist, but this exists. Now you probably want examples, right? Okay, here you go. I walked into the room and forgot why I was there. I was really discombobulated. Oh, I thought it was Friday. It was Monday. I was perpetually discombobulated. Try using it next time you feel confused or just want to sound like a Victorian detective who lost his hat. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more brilliant lessons on British English and culture. Let me know in the comments which phrase did you like the most and which one will you try today. And don't forget there's more coming every week here on English with Hurrem. Wishing you a delightful day full of tea, good grammar and zero discombobulation. Bye!